Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to the Zero to Hero series of videos too. In this video, we would learn two stitches. One is woven wheel in this circular part here, and the other one is we are going to stitch leaves in fishbone stitch format. For this woven wheel stitch, it's better to take 12 strands. You can do it in 6 strands too, but it would look better when you use 12 strands. If you notice, I drew a circle. I found the center point here. Roughly, it was not a calculated center, it is a rough marking. And then I divided the circle into 5 parts. So the point is it must be in odd numbers, not even numbers. So you can select 5, you can select 3 or 7, whatever you like. But generally, all embroidery artists use only 5 parts. So mark it like this, and now you need to do straight stitches to secure all these straight lines. So bring the needle out from one point, put it in the center. Now I'm going to bring it out from the second point. And then put the needle back in the center. Now from the third point, again back to the center. From the fourth point now, back to center. From the fifth point and the last point as well. Back to the center. Now there are 5 parts in the circle. Choose any one of the part of your choice and bring the needle out closer to the center point, like this. Always pull the thread gently and slowly too. Once the thread is out, all you need to do is you can go clockwise, or you decide to go anti-clockwise. Whichever format you decide, you follow only that throughout the stitch. You cannot change clockwise and anti-clockwise in between. Choose one and stay with it. So for this example, I'll choose anti-clockwise. So I'll go this way. Okay, now the first part is here. The first line is here. So I'll go over it and under the next. So this is over, this is under. Pull the thread but gently. In this straight line, the thread was under. So now this is over, this is under. So this is over, this is under. This is over, this is under. So this way you need to proceed until the circle is filled with your wheels. So which is why it is called as an woven rose. Now looks like the thread is not going to be enough to complete the stitch. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put the needle back into the fabric, put a knot and secure the thread. This is exactly where I ended previously, so I'm starting off from the same point. That was over, this is under. Now to finish the stitch, all you need to do is put the needle back, pull the thread gently so that the extra doesn't come out. Secure the knot at the back and you will secure this woven rose or woven wheel stitch. Now I'll tell you how to do fishbone stitch. Using that stitch, we will create this leaf and the same leaf will be replicated all over. Let's do this leaf first. I'll bring the needle out from the tip of the leaf. Pull the thread gently. Now leaving a small gap here in a straight line. Imagine if we are going to divide this leaf into two by drawing a straight line here and then divide it into three. In this one part, you will put the needle back and create a small straight stitch. This is how you start with fishbone stitch. Now for the next one, you can either choose right side or left side. I'm choosing right. There is a curve, the border is drawn. So you need to bring the needle out as close as possible and on the border. Now where will you put the needle back? Exactly at the bottom of the previous. Now that you are done with the right side, the next one will be with left side. So you will alternate the sides, right, left, right, left. That's how we will proceed until the entire leaf is done. Now the left side. Put it at the bottom. So right side was done, left side was done. Now again back to the right. Or to begin with, if you want, you can also draw a straight line so that will help you. Now entire leaf is done. I have put a knot at the back and secured the stitch as well. Now the same leaf has to be done in all the other 7 petals too. So once you finish this woven wheel or woven rose and these fishbone leaves, this is how your pattern will look like. And thank you all for watching.